Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change SIM card PIN on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! First you want to go to the settings, scroll down a little and go to security and privacy. Here scroll all the way down, go to more security and privacy and once again scroll all the way down. Now click SIM lock. As you can see, we do not have any SIM that's required to use our phone. So I will now choose our SIM pin, so that will be 4567. I will hit OK. As you can see, that was not my password, so I will try again. Well, that's an issue. Anyway, we'll after we actually have our SIM code, I think I have it somewhere here. But yeah, you will need a PIN that's probably provided to you by your service provider, because it is not set to something easy like 21234. And after you have enabled the lock SIM option, you will be able to just click change SIM PIN, and then you will be able to just change it and everything will be alright. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.